there's so much air. When the snow falls, where will the mockingbirds fly to? When the weather gets cold. Julie, she's with us, our sister and his best friend, and we know we'll see them both again. Well, God, I don't know what to do. All I want is to follow you. God, I just don't know what to say, so please show me the way. When the snow falls, where should this mockingbird fly to? I was there all alone, but my Jesus was with me, my brother and my best friend, and I know you'll be with me again. My brother, where are you? I sure need to talk to you. Tell me, where will we all go? 'Cause nobody knows.